morning. You finished with your bottle? Okay, I'm gonna get you a new one. What? You see that bottle? Look who came back! Look who came back! It's Tati! What?
She's busy with something else.
Look what Tati has.
So let's show.
She's just so... Oh, she needs a diaper change. So Alesha, look who came after a whole week. Where's Tati? Tati?
What's up, Alicia? She's not interested in anything.
No, I think she wants a diaper change first. I'm telling you, she looked at the side door almost, I think like twice, and she said, Tati, Tati.
No, she wants everything else.
No, no, she wants the, she wants the bottle. She's pointing to the bottle.
Yeah, fine. We'll get it as soon as I finish.
Okay.